एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल लेट मी इन्फॉर्म। आज की वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग, जो कि होने वाली है हमारी इंग्लिश ग्रामर क्विज, जिसके अंदर होंगे टोटल 25 क्वेश्चंस, जो कि बेसिक लेवल क्वेश्चंस होने वाले हैं ग्रामर के। तो आइए सबसे पहले हम शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से, विच इज चूज द करेक्ट सेंटेंस। ऑप्शन ए, ही एम अ स्टूडेंट। ऑप्शन बी, ही इज अ स्टूडेंट। ऑप्शन सी, he are a student। थोड़ा सा सोचेंगे और फिर आंसर देंगे। And the correct answer is option B, he is a student। Now we'll move on to question number 2, that is fill in the blank। I dash happy। Option A, am। B, is। C, are। And the correct option is A, I am happy। Now we'll go on to question number 3, which is choose the correct plural form। The plural of book is A, books। B, books। C, bookies। And the correct answer is A, books। Now we'll move on to question number 4, which says choose the correct article। This is dash apple। Option A, option B, and option C, the। And the correct option is an। This is an apple। Now we'll go on to question number 5, which is pick the correct option। She dash to school every day। Option A, go। Option B, goes। Option C, going। And the correct answer is she goes to school every day। Option B, goes is the correct answer। Now we'll go on to question number 6, which is fill in the blank। We dash friends। Option A is। Option B, are। Option C, am। And the correct answer is B, are। We are friends। Now the next question is question number 7, which says choose the correct question। Dash you like tea। A, do। Option B, does। Option C, did। And the correct answer is A, do। Do you like tea is the correct question। Now we will move on to question number 8, that says fill in the blank with a pronoun। Dash is my mother। Option A, he। Option B, she। Option C, they। And the correct answer is she। She is my mother। The next question, which is question number 9, is they dash football now। Option A, play। Option B, plays। And option C, are playing। The correct answer to this question is option C, are playing। They are playing football now। Now we will move on to question number 10, which says find the correct spelling। And this is the spelling for the word receive। Option A, R-E-C-I-E-V-E। Option B, R-E-C-E-I-V-E। And option C is R-E-C-E-E-V-E। You have to choose the correct spelling for the word receive। And the correct answer to this question is option B, R-E-C-E-I-V-E। Now let's move on to question number 11, which says choose the correct sentence। Option A, she didn't went to school yesterday। Option B, she doesn't go to school yesterday। Option C, she didn't go to school yesterday। Think about it and then answer। The correct answer to this question is option C, she didn't go to school yesterday। Now we will move on to question number 12, which is the next question, which says fill in the blank, and you have to fill the correct preposition in the blank। The cat is hiding dash the table। Option A, on। Option B, under। Option C, over। And the correct answer to this question is B, under। The cat is hiding under the table। Now we move on to question number 13, which says choose the correct tense। I dash my homework before dinner। Option A, finished। Option B, have finished। Option C, had finished। And the correct answer to this question is A. Finished. Now let's move on to question number 14, which says, if it rains, we dash at home. Option A. Stayed. Option B. Will stay. Option C. Stays. And the correct answer to this question is B. Will stay. Now the next question is question number 15, which says, dash you ever been to Mumbai? Option A. Did. Option B. Have. Option C. Do. And the correct answer to this question is option B. Have. Have you ever been to Mumbai? Now the next question is question number 16, which says, choose the correct sentence. Option A. She speaks very good English. Option B. She speak very good English. Option C. She speaking very good English. And the correct answer to this question is option A. She speaks very good English. Now let's move on to question number 17. And the question number 17 says, fill in the blank with the right word. This is the dash movie I have ever watched. Option A. More interesting. Option B. Most interesting. Option C. Interestingest. And the correct answer to this question is option B. This is the most interesting movie I have ever watched. Now let's move on to question number 18, which says, identify the correct pronoun. The teacher asked Ria and dash to stay back. Option A. I. Option B. Me. And option C. Mine. And the correct answer to this question is option B. Me. Next question, question number 19 says, choose the correct option. By the time we reached the train dash. Option A. Left. Option B. Had left. Option C. Has left. And the correct answer is B. Had left. Now the next question, question number 20 is, correct the sentence. Each of the boys dash present. Option A. Are. Option B. Were. Option C. Is. This question is choose the correct sentence. And the answer to this question is option C. Is. Each of the boys is present. Now let's move on to question number 21, which says, choose the correct sentence. Option A. I am knowing the answer. Option B. I know the answer. Option C. I knew the answer now. And the correct answer to this question is option B. I know the answer. Now let's move on to the next question, number 22. And we are left with the last 4 questions only. So now let's see the question, which is, fill in the blank. She has lived here dash 2010. Option A. Since. Option B. For. Option C. From. And the correct answer to this question is option A. Since. Now let's move on to the next question, which is question number 23. Pick the correct form. He is better dash maths in English. Option A. In. Option B. At. And option C. With. And the correct answer to this question is option B. At. He is better at math than English. Now let's move on to next question, which is question number 24. The question says, choose the correct passive form. They built the house in 2015. Option A. The house was built in 2015. Option B. The house is built in 2015. And option C. The house has built in 2015. And the correct answer to this question is question number A. The house was built in 2015. Now the next question, which is question number 25, is fill in the blank. Neither of the answers dash correct. Option A. Are. Option B. Were. Option C. Is. And the correct answer to this question is option C. Is. Neither of the answers is correct. And with this, we have completed our 25 question English grammar quiz in this video. Please share your score in the comment section and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.